Hey guys, it's Friday evening. I said in the last video, one way or the other, I was going to try to plant corn this afternoon. Lord willing, it don't rain, of course. But we watched 3 different stations, and all 3 stations says that it's going to rain tomorrow. So whether I like it or not, I'm finna plant it today. It's still a little wet, but we're going to try to get it done one way or the other. I've tilled and worked on this all day long trying to dry it out. I've turned it several times with a tiller, and it's pretty good. I've got the rolls already cut with the push plow, and I'm thinking to put a little fertilizer in it and cover it, fertilizer up, and we're going to drop the seeds.
How do you know so much about corn?
I know a lot about corn. When I went to high school, of course, in a small community, had a small high school. We had what they call animal resource class and plant resources, and had metal fab, and it was all shop. If you asked anybody, we had shop classes. I spent about half the day in shop classes to my senior year and spent most of the day at shop. But every time we get in trouble in shop class, our teacher always called us together and he'd make us go to the classroom. The classroom was upstairs in the big shop. And our punishment was about a week's worth of writing out of a book. We had to write page for page out of a corn book. Needless to say, I knew a lot about corn back then because I wrote a whole lot of pages. We spent very few days downstairs we wasn't in trouble. So I know a lot about it. But I don't claim to know anything. I try to forget all them times, but we're going to get to work here. We'll turn the camera back on after I get the fertilizer in. You won't show them my high-tech fertilizer spreader, huh? Half a gallon jug cut off.
Yeah, it does the job. Of course, the four-wheeler has to come by and the dog has to bark.
Oh yeah. Bongo has to be a part of the camera. He wants to be a star. He's gonna be a YouTube star one of these days.
Now I got fertilizer.
We got the fertilizer in. I can cover it up just a little bit and go get the seed.
Yay.
I'll be ready to plant seeds here shortly. I'm not gonna plant them real deep because I didn't get the ground broke up good as I wanted, but we'll hill it up after the corn gets started. Be back shortly. Well, we got the fertilizer covered. Still got it V'd slightly for the seed. We are planting incredible sweet corn, hybrid seed. We just haven't found nothing like it. And I'm finna drop the seeds in and cover it up. Got my trusty planter here.
Now I've got the seeds in the ground. Time to cover them up.
Now, I normally would wet them, but this kind of weather we've having, there ain't no use in it.
They're gonna get wet tonight or tomorrow on.
All 3 channels said it's coming tomorrow afternoon. The best they could come up with. And none of them actually gave a time. They all gave the same percentage and they all gave the same day. So we're going to take the word for it. I did put some extra seed in here. Used 3 ounces of seed, made 4 rolls, so I seeded a little heavy. Ounce of sweet corn seed, spaced like it says, I think makes about a 50-foot roll. I seeded a little heavy, so my rolls ain't hardly 50 foot.
It's sure gonna taste good though.
We've always had good luck. Always makes close to 300 ears last year. 3 rolls. We should have every bit of 300 ears this year. Well, we got all the seed buried. All 4 rows is done. We got it done before the rain. Maybe it won't rain too hard, wash it out of the ground. But we got 3 ounces of seed in the ground. We just need about 90 good days now. That's some good sweet corn. It's about dark. I guess it's about time to go in the house and get cleaned up. Go wash the red off and all that coated corn. Yeah, I got it all over me. Got to get into your work, you know. Everybody have a good weekend. God bless.